Dear children, let us do chapter 3 of the workbook, the activity book, Holi in the Jungle. First of all, let us read the comprehension passage, then we will answer the questions. Tani and Sanjay were happy. They wished each other Merry Christmas. Their pup Rusty ran around the Christmas tree. Toby, their cat, mewed. The tree looked pretty. It was big. It had ribbons, stars, balloons, toys, and gifts on it. Rusty pulled a ribbon. He wanted to get his gift off the tree. A big ball fell on Rusty. It was his Christmas gift. Rusty barked with joy. Toby mewed again. She wanted a gift too. Rusty pulled another ribbon. Off fell a toy mouse. It was Toby's toy. She loved her gift. Oh, what a Merry Christmas! Now children, we will answer these questions in just one word. What festival were Tani and Sanjay celebrating? So you will write here Christmas. What is the name of the pup? So children, the name of the pup is Rusty. Yes. What did Rusty pull? So what did Rusty pull? He pulled a ribbon. So ribbon will be written here. Who got a big ball as gift? Rusty. Yes, Rusty got a big ball. And who got a toy mouse as a gift? Toby, the cat, got the toy mouse. So here we will write Toby. Name the things on the Christmas tree. So children, the Christmas tree was decorated with many things. So you will write here all the things like ribbons, stars, balloons, toys and gifts. So all the 5 things: ribbons, stars, balloons, gifts and toys. Read these words aloud. So children, this is just to read. You will read these words. These all are words. Fill in the blanks with the letters to name these animals. One is done for you. It is eagle. Number 2 is elephant. Yes. Number 3 is monkey. Then number 4th is number 5th is bear, lion, snake, tortoise. So in this way you will complete all the animals which are in the picture. Complete all the animals, the names of all the animals. Match the pictures and make the pairs. So pictures are given, you have to match the pictures which go together, like it is done for you. One is done, bread and butter is matched. In the same way we will match all the other pictures like cup and plate, lock and key, door and window, pencil and eraser. So just matching you have to do and make the pairs. Now fill in the blanks with is, am and are. Mona is, we dash, we are. Yes. Are comes with we, and with you also are will be there. We are, you are. You have done the song also. I am, my friend is, and last one, he is. Now let us come on part G. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Again you have to fill is, am and are here. My name is Bhuvan. One is done for you. Number 2, I dash a boy. I am a boy. I am 4 years old. Again am will come. My mother is a doctor. My father is an engineer. So in both the blanks you will write is. We are 2 brothers. So again with we, you all know we use are. My brother is 3 years old, because my brother means singular thing, singular person. And the last one is we are a happy family. Now children, fill in the blanks with this or that. This is a window, that is a door. This is a bus, that is an aeroplane. Now we will do those because all the things are plural. These are pencils, those are crayons, these are fruits, those are vegetables, these are balloons, and those are butterflies. So birds, those are birds. So in this way you will do these and those also. Now let us see part J. Complete these sentences using the words given in the picture. So one picture is made, children, and you have to describe that picture by using the words which are given. First one is I have a dash. I have a teddy. It is dash. It is brown. It has black eyes. And last one is I love my teddy. In the same way, one ball is there and one bicycle is there. So you will complete both the pictures in same way. I have a ball, it is round, it is blue and red. I play with my ball. I have a bicycle, it is yellow, it has two wheels. I ride my bicycle. So children, that is all for this chapter. Part A to J you will complete in your books now. Thank you children.